Okay, now we are starting. So again what I will do, again a snapshot. So always if you have a space in your system, always take a snapshot. Snapshot is better. So now we are again back to our position. So this is domain controller and this is additional domain controller. Okay, verify, open your command prompt, cmd netdom query fsmo. Let's come here. Who is the boss? You can see here. Now come to Yaoundé server. Okay, domain controller, additional domain controller, netdom query fsmo. Okay, now how we are going to transfer from here with the help of command line. So before you transfer, you have to enable schema master. So regsvr32 space schmmgmt dot dll. Enable, fine. Come here. Here also you have to enable. regsvr32 schmmgmt dot dll. Fine. Okay. Now open and type ntds util. Okay. Now what you want to do? Transfer roles, right? Connection, enter. Now connect to domain Yaoundé DC 2 dot ist.com, right? Because I want to transfer. Yaoundé. Okay, let's connect to server. Okay, let's type connect to server. Connect to server Yaoundé DC2. Okay, like this. Okay, if yes. Okay, you have no need to write this command. Okay, this command you have to write while seizing. Here I am writing connect to which server? Yaoundé DC 2. So it is connected. So when it is connected, you have to write quit. Now transfer, right? So here what we are learning, see, you can transfer the role graphically also and you can transfer the role command line. But basically why we are using command line? Because when you have a core server, so how you are going to transfer the roles from core server or core server to graphical, right? Yes, do you want to transfer? See, fast. One is completed. Now come here and verify. RID, check the RID. See, RID has been transferred. Now come here, transfer PDC, enter. Do you want to transfer PDC? Yes. Fast. Because why it is fast? Because the database is local. Seizing was taking time, but transferring is fast. Schema master. Yes, I want to transfer schema master. Schema is also transferred. Then naming master. Okay, naming is also transferred. Now last is remaining what? Infrastructure master, right? Infrastructure master. Do you want to transfer? Yes. See, all has been transferred. Verify. Come to Yaoundé DC2 and to verify this. All FSMO role. Everything is here now, right? Now when everything is here, exit. Oh, sorry, quit. 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 And then exit. No problem. Now you can go when you have transferred it. So now same operation, what you have to do, you have to come here, DNS, this 2 has removed, so remove from here, and from the DNS database also you have to remove that 2 and verify your Active Directory and everything. So after transferring, always keep in mind, after transferring, after cease, always, yes, always restart the system. Okay, so after restarting, server is okay, let's verify your everything, Active Directory and all. Tools, Active Directory, domain and trust. Right click, Operation Master, see. Okay, it has been transferred. Operation Master here is completed. Active Directory, users and computer. Right click, Operation Master, it is replicated. But if you will come in domain controller, if you are seeing this, what do you have to do? Delete it. Now schema is remaining. Type MMC. Schema, add, OK, and then right click, Operation Master. Okay, no error, nothing. So this is how to transfer the roles when you are using core server, or you can graphically also. We have what we did, we transferred through graphical, but you should know how to use all the commands, right? Okay, so we are done with this lab also.